A Bird Came Down the Walk by Emily Dickinson. Let's see the questions and the answers on this poem, which is about the bird. Question number one: do you like birds? Yes, all of us like. Do you keep birds as pets? I don't keep birds as pets because I think they should live in peace. They should live with the nature. Where can you see birds in their natural habitat? We can see birds on treetops, in nests, in trunks of trees, right? What do you feel about birds when you see them? We feel happy, we feel a pity also sometimes. Is it good to harm or destroy them? It is not good to harm or destroy them. Why? Because they are innocent creatures of the nature and we don't have a right to kill the creatures of the nature. What do you feel about birds when you see them? I feel happy. What is the poem about? It's about a bird who comes to the garden of the speaker. Where is the bird now? The bird is like moving on the path in the garden. Who saw the bird? The speaker or a human. What did the bird do? The bird actually ate, drank something, and then hopped. What did the man do? The man gave some bread. How did the bird eat the angleworm? He ate it by cutting the worm into two parts, ate in halves. What does the word convenient imply? Easy, not difficult. Why did the bird move towards the wall? Because it doesn't eat beetles and it doesn't want to bring obstacles to the beetles' road. So he goes away. Number 17, what does it show? Communal living, or all the creatures in the nature do not kill each other only. They also have understanding and living together. How are the eyes of the birds described? They are described as glass balls or beads. What does the word velvet denote? Very soft and beautiful. Who is cautious? The bird. Why? Because there can be dangers in the nature coming from very big dangerous animals. Do you think the bird expected any food from the speaker? Not really, no. Would you accept if somebody offered you something? I say no, because if it is given by a stranger, we are asked by our parents not to accept, right? Because we don't know the person. What was the bird's reaction in getting some food? He didn't like it. He unrolled the feathers and went away. How did the bird leave the place? He quickly left the place, rode himself to home. Why did he leave? Because he always liked this individualism and he didn't want to be exposed to these interventions, interferences. He did not like a human giving food, so he left. What does the bird symbolize? The bird symbolizes nature and its creatures who do not wish to be interfered by humans. Comment on the man's and the bird's behavior. The man, out of pity, gives bread to the bird, but the bird refuses it. Right? That's the right of the bird. What is the theme of the poem? The poem is based on what? Nature. And also it is connected with the point that we should never interfere nature. What are the techniques used here? We see again visual imagery as a predominant or the most important technique. Right, so after writing the answers for this poem also, make sure you write a short or a summarized version of the poem, in other words, an appreciation to remind the main points of the poem further.